So sad to see Suzanna smiling as sleep is stretching over us. I'm still saving Suzanna's star, a small souvenir of silk. In sewer of Suzanna's sketches, simplicity still stands in style. Streams and streams of suns descending, statues silent and senile. She said, Savior the Savior, savage survivor, we're not the same, you are strange. And I said, scientific certainty, this good and nice sawdust, we are slaves to the stars, we are slaves to our scars. She scraped her soap to scrub her soul, and so she slit her sanity, sidestepping all her stubborn senses, solemn face, a sallow skin. Susanna's sweet and sandy songs describe the sadness of the sky. She could still soothe her suffering by singing, her voice still stuck inside my skull. She said, Savior the Savior, savage survivor, we're not the same, you are strange. And I said, scientific certainty, this good and nice sawdust, we're slaves to the stars, we're both slaves to our scars. Summer stars stood strong in silence as a silhouette strolled down the coast. They saw seaweed saturate her stomach as she sleepwalked into the sea. So sad to see Suzanna smiling as sleep is stretching over us. I'm still saving Susanna's star, a small souvenir of silk.